and welcome to Name That Sound. I'm your host, Jeff Hudson. Let's get started. Our contestants today are Steve.
Hi everyone, how's it going? I'm really hungry and would like a sandwich. How long is this going to take?
Okay, and Linda.
Hi Jeff, I'm ready to win, but my low self-esteem won't stop telling me that that's not going to happen.
All right, you know the drill. We play a sound and you tell us what it is. Steve, the first question, you can earn $1 whole. DJ, spin that first clue.
Nah. Okay, you're starting me off with an easy one here. That is a dog.
All right, you are, sir. Go buy yourself 4 gumballs for $1. Linda, name the sound.
Oh, that's a car braking! I know because I've been charged with reckless driving 12 times.
Correct, and they say crime doesn't pay. This next question is open to the both of you, and we're stepping it up to $1,000. Contestants, what's that sound?
Hey, I like to party. Hey, I like to party. Oh yeah, let's go. Tonight's the night we steal the show.
American Party Forever! American Party Forever! Yeah! What's that sound?
Was that a heavy club track you wrote and produced yourself?
Correct! And did you like it? What did you think?
It's been done before.
Well, yeah, so is that haircut, but you don't see me attacking you for it. Calm down, Jeff. Next clue.
Each my boys, we love it. Looking for some loving. Dancing fun, but booty's better. Pirate booty, ranch or cheddar.
Yeah. Well,
Was that song about butts or snack food?
I mean, is there really a difference these days?
there we go, Linda. Linda gets $1 million. $1 million for recognizing talent.
Well, no, it's still an awful song.
Damn it, Linda! I step up for you and you let me down.
I'm sorry?
Okay, next clue.
Linda sucks! Linda sucks! Linda sucks! Linda sucks!
Okay, I know that one. That is a large gathering of people chanting, Linda sucks.
There we go. Something we can all agree on. Let's keep going with a acoustic round.
Girl, you make me say don't stop believing, 'cause it's more than a feeling. You give me the beating to save my soul. I should have known better. Free fall and give me shelter. Girl, you remind me that I love rock and roll.
Oh, how about that?
No, name dropping isn't songwriting. You're just reminding me of songs that I like better than yours.
Yes, also the melody and production were both just terrible. I feel genuinely sorry for you if you believe that you have any talent at all, and I advise you to cease all musical activities.
This entire show has been one of the worst moments of my life. Why are you doing this to us, Jeff Hudson?
That's an easy answer. You, come here. Come here. Anarchy! Wow! Ah!
You're a bad person, Jeff Hudson.
Well, if I had $1 every time I heard that, I wouldn't have to host this shitty show. All right, let's play one more final clue.
Jeff Hudson, Mr. Worldwide, down it. Let's go. The sun don't go down till we say it do. Jeff Hudson goes to the game show where the game's playing.
American Party Forever! Yeah!
Miami, 305. This is all I do in any song.
Woo-hoo! And that's how it's done.
Wow, I take it all back. Those were bars.
Did someone say bars?
Let's go to the bars. 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 Let's go to the bars.
Go! Bars!
All right, this has been Name That Sound. Make sure to watch next week, and please check out my EP, Host with the Most, available exclusively on the Zune Marketplace. Good night.